This is why you can't afford to skip these 10 breakfast foods after 50. What if I told you the very first thing you eat in the morning could determine how well you age, how sharp your mind stays, and whether or not you fight off chronic diseases that creep in with age? It's true. Breakfast is no longer just about killing hunger. It's a crucial decision that impacts your heart, brain, bones, and longevity. Especially after 50, your body becomes more sensitive to what you feed it in the morning. And skipping the right foods is like missing a dose of medicine your body desperately needs. A major study in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health found that adults who eat a high-quality breakfast have better nutrient intake, improved mental clarity, and reduced risk of heart disease. Yet many still grab sugary cereals, skip breakfast entirely, or eat foods that spike blood sugar and leave them crashing before noon. Today, you're going to learn the top 10 foods that need to be on your breakfast plate every single day. If you're serious about healthy aging, strong muscles, sharp memory, and energy that lasts all day. Stay with me to the end, because what you'll learn may be the difference between aging gracefully or aging with regrets. Eggs, the gold standard of breakfast nutrition. Let's start with a classic eggs. But don't let their simplicity fool you. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of high-quality protein available. They're packed with essential amino acids your body cannot make on its own. That means if you skip eggs, your muscles, brain, and immune system may not get the raw materials they need to function at their best. A study from the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that eating eggs for breakfast significantly reduces overall calorie intake during the day. Why? Because eggs keep you full longer, preventing mid-morning hunger and energy crashes that lead to unhealthy snacking. But the benefits go beyond protein. Egg yolks are rich in choline, which fuels brain function and improves memory. And they contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes from age-related damage. If you're avoiding eggs because of cholesterol fears, recent research shows dietary cholesterol doesn't impact blood cholesterol as once thought. The real danger lies in skipping eggs and missing out on their protective nutrients. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet, eggs should be your morning staple. Oatmeal, the heart-saving grain you're probably ignoring. If you think oatmeal is boring, think again. This humble grain is a powerhouse of nutrition, and skipping it might be costing your heart more than you realize. Rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber, oatmeal actively reduces LDL or bad cholesterol levels and lowers your risk of heart disease. Just 1 cup of cooked oats gives you 13 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber, along with iron, zinc, folate, and magnesium. That's more than just fuel. It's a morning armor against diabetes, high blood pressure, and even colon cancer. Skip oatmeal, and you're missing out on one of the most effective, natural ways to stabilize your blood sugar and support digestive health. Unlike sugary cereals that spike and crash your energy, oatmeal gives you a steady release of energy, making you more productive and focused. Want to take it further? Add almond butter, chia seeds, or sliced fruit to boost its benefits even more. Just avoid the flavored packets loaded with sugar. They do more harm than good. Flaxseed, the tiny seed that shields you from disease. Don't let their size fool you. Flax seeds are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat in the morning. Just 1 tablespoon provides omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, lignans, powerful antioxidants, and essential minerals like magnesium and selenium. Why does that matter? Because these nutrients reduce inflammation, support brain health, and help lower your risk of diabetes, arthritis, and cardiovascular disease. Omega-3s in flaxseed are particularly powerful for seniors because they protect aging joints and reduce stiffness. Skip flax seeds and you're missing out on a natural weapon against inflammation, a root cause of almost every age-related disease. The easiest way to include flax seeds? Add ground flaxseed to your smoothie, yogurt, or sprinkle it over your oatmeal. The benefits are subtle but compounding. Over time, they protect your body from the inside out. Berries, sweet, colorful, and incredibly protective. Berries are nature's candy, but instead of rotting your teeth, they protect your heart, brain, and skin. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are bursting with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, that have been proven to lower blood pressure, reduce oxidative stress, and improve brain function. A study in the journal Circulation showed that people who regularly consume berries have a significantly lower risk of heart attack. And if you skip them, you're losing out on a delicious way to improve memory, manage weight, and even prevent age-related cognitive decline. Their fiber content also slows digestion and keeps your blood sugar stable. Unlike many high-carb breakfast foods that spike insulin, toss them in your Greek yogurt, blend them into your smoothie, or just eat them plain. Frozen berries work too. Just make sure there's no added sugar. Whole wheat toast fuel your morning metabolism. Not all bread is bad. Whole wheat toast is a prime example of how carbs can actually help, not hurt. Rich in fiber, B vitamins, and complex carbs, whole wheat toast gives your brain the glucose it needs without the crash. When compared to white bread, whole wheat is digested more slowly, keeping you full longer and preventing those dangerous blood sugar swings. And when toasted, it has a lower glycemic index, which helps stabilize your metabolism throughout the day. Skipping whole wheat toast means missing out on essential nutrients like magnesium and selenium, two minerals critical for thyroid function, energy production, and immune health. Pair it with eggs or avocado for a complete breakfast. It's fast, versatile, and one of the easiest ways to start your day right. Nuts and nut butter, your anti-aging fat source. A handful of almonds or a spoon of peanut butter might not look like much, but these foods are loaded with monounsaturated fats, protein, vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants. They fight inflammation, support heart health, and improve memory. In fact, a current atherosclerosis report showed that regular nut consumption is linked to a 30% reduced risk of heart disease. And vitamin E in nuts protects your skin from aging and your brain from cognitive decline. Don't eat nuts in the morning, and you miss a critical window to stabilize your blood sugar and fuel your brain with slow-burning energy. Nut butter is incredibly versatile. Add it to toast, oatmeal, or a banana. Just make sure you use natural versions without hydrogenated oils or added sugar. Protein shakes. Quick, powerful, and muscle-preserving. In a rush? No time to cook? Then a high-quality protein shake might be your best bet. Especially after 50, maintaining muscle mass becomes critical to mobility and independence. A protein shake in the morning helps protect muscle and keeps you full for hours. Protein also boosts metabolism and supports weight loss by increasing satiety. You can customize your shake with berries, seeds, spinach, or nut butter to create a nutrient-packed breakfast in under 2 minutes. Skip protein in the morning, and you risk losing lean muscle over time, which leads to weakness, joint pain, and a slower metabolism. Just watch out for sugar-laden commercial shakes. Choose clean protein powders with minimal ingredients, or make your own with whole foods. Bananas, the potassium powerhouse. Bananas are often underrated, but they're essential for heart health, muscle function, and digestive balance. One banana contains over 400 milligrams of potassium, which helps lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. They're also rich in resistant starch, a type of prebiotic fiber that feeds healthy gut bacteria, promoting regular digestion and better nutrient absorption. If you avoid bananas due to their sugar content, know this: the fiber in bananas slows down digestion and helps regulate blood sugar. They're much safer and healthier than processed carbs. Don't include bananas in your breakfast? You're likely missing a crucial nutrient that protects your heart and keeps your digestion on track. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or eat them plain with nut butter. Greek yogurt, the gut-guarding superfood. Greek yogurt is more than just a high-protein snack. It's a probiotic powerhouse that supports digestion, boosts your immune system, and even helps regulate mood by maintaining the gut-brain connection. It's also rich in calcium and vitamin B12, two nutrients many older adults lack. Calcium keeps bones strong, while B12 prevents fatigue and supports brain health. A study in the European Journal of Nutrition found that people who regularly consume yogurt have better metabolic profiles, lower blood pressure, and improved body composition. Skip Greek yogurt, and you miss a powerful opportunity to balance your gut microbiome, which is critical for inflammation control, mental clarity, and immune defense. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties and pair them with fruit, nuts, or honey. Coffee, more than just a morning boost. Yes, coffee can be healthy when consumed the right way. Rich in antioxidants, Coffee neutralizes free radicals and reduces inflammation. According to the American Diabetes Association, regular coffee consumption is linked to a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It also improves mood, enhances focus, and boosts metabolic rate, especially in the morning when your cortisol levels naturally rise. But it's what you put in your coffee that makes the difference. Avoid sugar and heavy cream, and opt for plant-based or non-fat milk. Skip coffee, and you might be missing an easy source of antioxidants and mental sharpness. But misuse it and overload it with sugar, and it becomes a health hazard. Make your mornings count before it's too late. Your breakfast is a daily opportunity to nourish your aging body, fight disease, and set the tone for your entire day. Skipping or eating the wrong foods in the morning can silently drain your energy, impair your focus, and accelerate the aging process. But when you consistently eat these top 10 breakfast foods, you give your body exactly what it needs to thrive, no matter your age. Start tomorrow with purpose. Choose your breakfast like your health depends on it, because it truly does. If you commit to these foods every morning, your body will thank you, not just today, but for years to come. Which of these will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, subscribe, share this video with someone you care about, and join us on the journey to healthier, stronger mornings.